You won't believe how tiny these birds actually are. Here are the world's 5 smallest birds, counting down from 5 to 1. Number 5. The goldcrest. This European tiny marvel weighs just as much as a teaspoon of sugar. Number 4. The weebill from Australia. This little yellow fluff ball is barely bigger than your thumb. Number 3. The short-tailed pygmy tyrant. This South American sprite is often mistaken for a flying insect. If you're loving these tiny birds, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Number 2. The Esmeralda's woodstar. Rare, tiny, and rocking a gorgeous purple throat. And number 1. The world's smallest bird. The bee hummingbird from Cuba, about the size of a bumblebee, and weighs less than a dime. Which of these tiny wonders would you love to spot in the wild? Drop your favorite in the comments below.